How to fix SMS sending field. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can fix your SMS sending field issue on your Android device. To fix an Android that won't send text messages, try restarting it. Now check if you've been blocked by a recipient. If you've been blocked by a recipient, then this might also be one of the reasons why you're unable to send the message. Or if your carrier is having network issue, you can also try clearing the message cache or making sure your SIM card is installed properly. So in order to clear your cache, long press on your messenger application, go to the app info page. Right over here, go to storage and cache. While you're on this page, tap on clear cache as well as click on clear storage towards your messages in some other folder, because if you tap on the clear storage button, it's going to delete all of your information. So be sure about it. And you can also go to permissions. So allowing permission also plays a very important role. So if you have not enabled some of the permission, then it might be one of the reasons why you're unable to send the message. So make sure that your phone SIM card is properly installed. You can pop out the SIM, try using a delicate tool or by unwinding a small piercing, pushing into the ejected hole. And if the card was physically out of place, that was likely the cause of the problem. Apart from it, you can also try restarting your device. Sometimes restarting your device can be an efficient way of solving the issue. If you're unable to send message after doing all of these, it could be your mobile service provider is experiencing issue with their SMS service. So call them out to find that is the cause, when you can expect normal service to be restored, so you can try resending the text message again. So these were some of the methods on how you can fix SMS not sending issue. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.